Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se and as you can easily see that my name is Tendra Punya, and if you've just seen my previous content then you can easily see that how is my content is helping to social world. Look guys, life is very easy but only when you just solve life problem. Otherwise life you always want to feel that life is very complicated, life has so much pain, life has so much drama. Look, half of the problem create you or your own self. Okay, I'm telling you, 60% problem create man. I'm saying that. Look, drug addiction, sex addiction, phone addiction, laptop addiction, even too much food. I mean, very annoying behavior. I mean, who's responsible for this? Tell me who's responsible for this. So, if you are really struggling so this kind of habit, then of course, then you have to change it. Okay, then you have to change it. Otherwise, how it works? Tell me how it works. Only you can help yourself. So that's why I am telling you, I'm telling you that only you can help yourself. Otherwise, and look guys, today's my topic is trust yourself. Yes, best best medicine, best advice, best opinion, best point of view of the world. Trust yourself. Look, trust the world. But you know what? I really feel that I really feel that there are so much betrayed in outside world. So much betrayed in outside world. So if you are really tough, your body is tough, your mind is tough, I'm sure you're gonna win this race. I'm telling you, you're gonna win the race. No one, but trust yourself is the most important key, because you know what? Look, you can't depend on your brother also. I'm telling you. So then, how you can say that government will good with you, your school and coaching will good with you, your parents, your neighbor, your all social people, how can they good with you? How can they good with you if you just can't trust yourself? Okay, it's very sad. It's very sad that people are not trust their self and they trust to the world. It's very sad. It's very sad. Such a it's a and it's such a huge problem. So you have to build the trust and trust first yourself, because then only you can serve your country, serve to the world. Only then you can serve to the country. So always just trust yourself, always stand with the truth, always stand with the right things. Don't care that how much people are against you. Look guys, one secret I'm telling you, if so much people are against you, then of course you are doing a very great thing. If so much people are against you, if so much people are disliking you, if so much people are abusing you, I'm telling you, you are the right. You are the right. Because look, I'm simply saying that problem with the truth, that truth is it's very harsh reality. Truth is really hard to digest. That's why people don't digest easily. Truth. So you have to trust yourself and find your own truth. Find your own truth, because otherwise life will you always gonna feel that someone is betrayed. Someone is betrayed. All the life you're gonna feel this loop. All the life. So build the trust yourself, and then you can really help with yourself. And look, it will build your dream, it will build your life, it will build your house, it will build your friend. I mean, this is the importance of trust. This is the importance of trust. So always trust the world. Next, first trust yourself. This is my two big topic. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Look, guys, when you just like, share, and subscribe my channel, it will very boost me. It will keep me motivated me, and I keep look. I will make this content in whole year. I mean, this year I'm making this content creation journey. Okay, this year I'm really telling you that this year I'm making this content creation. So let's see that. Let's see that how you gonna respond it. Okay, so yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.